Hi guys, my camera's about to die and my son is sleeping on the bed right up there, so I'm trying to be a little quiet. But I just wanted to show you any progress I did on the baby with sanding her and changing her. She's gonna be putting this on. This cute little cute little romper thing. This cute little pamper found stars. So, if you can see her, it's natural daylight in here. I put this little outfit on her because I had nothing for her. Say hello. Okay, let's get her dressed. I didn't do her little feet yet, but I tried to do the rest of her body. Oh, my camera's gonna die. Try to hurry this up. I was painting. Okay. Don't mess her hair up. Okay. So if you can see, I've taken a lot of her paint off. I don't know. I can reflect on the other videos. But this is natural light. Just to have a little more to go on the back. On her legs. Took it off. You can see? So I think she underwent a lot of improvement in her neck also. Her arms and her hands. I mean, she still needs work, but that's what I've done so far. And with her, I'm just going to go a little at a time because I don't want to rush it. That's if I decide to continue on, because I recently researched the silicone paints and they're not cheap. Let's see what I do. This is a size 1 diaper, so it's kind of like huge. It's okay. Come here, baby. Her hair wants to come out. Trying to hurry before my battery dies. Buttons. I think this is size newborn, but she's so tiny. It fits. So cute. Let me just show you the foot because I didn't do her foot yet. There she is. Her little outfit. And of course, we got to get her a different bow because this one doesn't match. This hair's so soft. Okay. I need to get her little earrings. Let's see. Go, sweetie. So there's her. Let me show you her little feet. The sun keeps coming in and out. But I did not do this foot yet, as you can see. See? It's not done. The other one I tried to do it. Not yet. Still not enough. So that's why we're covering those little feet up. Done. You can see the paint's coming off on the clothes. It was on the diaper. You can see the diaper. There is paint on there. See? And that's how she came. It was just like falling off. So she needs a little headband, and they're over there. I can't reach them. This one doesn't match, but we'll use it anyway. Here we go, sweetie. And her name is Ami. A-M-I. A little pretty name for a little pretty girl. There she is. She says, hello, everybody. Oh, look. Can't get in there. In due time. But there she is. She's so precious. I love holding her. Super flopsy. She's so cute. Okay guys, well I hope you have a really good Easter and a really good Saturday. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye.